With livingculture.co.nz, your Luba root specialist. Live outdoors for less. It's coming up 6 minutes past 5. St. Beveridge is next.
Uppercut!
Fuck it.
Really? You fucking really fucking crazy fucking bitch, mate. Who's that in front of me? Fucking crazy bitch.
Was? Was? Der denn?
Sag mal, was ist so?
Der war auch, weiß ich nicht, vom Kopf her jetzt.
Ach so,
Weil- Ja.
kann überhaupt nicht an ein
Aber was
Solarzelle
wird das
angeschlossen
denn? Der
werden.
ist durch Rot gefahren, der Motorrad.
Ja.
Your shit. You fucking donut.
Is that still forwards? Yeah, that's still forward. Good one, idiot. Huh?
Fucking hell! Fucking hell!
Looking at me like I did something wrong.
Yeah. So you hit a record button then, did you?
Yeah.
Yeah. No.
What the
She
fuck?
slammed through the tables and chairs, wanting more and more distance between herself and any bad air she had let in. The bodies she had crawled over in the sheriff's office had felt whole, naturally dead, trapped inside and starved.
Hey, Scotty, cop that one.
Yeah, what you doing, mate?
dumb shit.
When we are all counted.
And by failing to include important questions about sexual orientation, gender identity, and made the crucial save, but the Lionesses couldn't find the equaliser.
Whoops.
The world number 6 crowned world champion.
With more thought, here's Jared.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
Get these two guys together and they can hash this thing out because it's deeply affected Mario. Sure. I mean, he was in tears by the end of my conversation with him. So something happened and something dramatically affected him. It happened over November 5 back then. It's stuck with me ever since.
From the driest of lands comes the wettest of beers. Brewed according to ancient modern traditions by experts in skivvies. Carlton Dry, imported from Drylandia.
Have you ever spoken to anybody that was abducted?
All the time. Yeah, I've spoken to many quote-unquote experiencers or abductees. A lot of them don't like being called abductees because they don't feel like they were taken against their will. They wanted to go. They found it beneficial. And you know, abductions are tough. Like, I don't really know where I stand on them. Even being a UFO guy every day of my life, like, I would consider myself an open-minded skeptic. Like, I'm open to any possibility, to be completely honest. But I've come across many abductions. Some very dark, some very funny and awkward, and some just downright.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Red light camera ahead.
You don't get to do that.
Again, not an objection, so if you have an objection, you just say so. But disagreeing with what...
Fuck's sake. Fuck is wrong with you?
Well, that was fucking close. Good thing I changed my brakes the other day.
I'm looking further down the road. I'm looking for big things like that. Like, I feel sorry for the bird, but if I hit it, it's...
No, mate, no! No!
Fucking idiot.
Wow! Oh my gosh! And you got your dash cam on?
Say my name.
Another one for you, Scotty.
You never know when you're going to run into a van. He needed to take a photo of the groceries being dropped off. I didn't know it was something the drivers had.
Wow. School bus through a red light. Well done.
This guy is the star in this photo.
Oh no. Oh, never mind. Oh, right at the red light.
Just go through the fucker red light. Wrong lane. It's not a left turn lane, but anyway, just go left.
Yes, they were. Shit, I haven't looked at the time. And over and over. Jesus, this bloody thing takes you ages, man. And over.
Because of idiot trucks. Dumbasses. Not letting run through, it's a broken, it's an unbroken line.
Even though this is big, it's still very congested, eh? It gets so congested. All those lanes.
No idea what he's doing. What an idiot. What a complete moron.
He drives a car like that, a big truck.
That's good for Scotty's dash cams. I'll send that to him.
Upload them onto YouTube. I think my sweet spot is 20 minutes. I think 20 minutes is long enough.
Yeah, 15 to 20 minutes, you're good. So, as I say, his title, unfortunately for me, was about the amazing power of the placebo.